Today we are going to see acupressure point for cough and sore throat. First acupressure point is just below the trachea. Here is the trachea, just below. Here you can feel one bone. Use your index finger and keep on pressing for 1 minute. While pressing, you have to take a deep breath. And second acupressure point, here is a clavicle bone, just below the clavicle bone. Use your two fingers and press it for 1 minute. While pressing, you have to take deep breath. This is the way you have to keep on for 1 minute. And third acupressure point, just below the thumb. Here is a bone. The point is on just below the bone. There you can feel one depression. Use your thumb or index finger. Press it for 1 minute. Same way in other hand also. Bye. Thank you.